Hi everyone, this is Laura, City Scrapper. I'm so glad you could join me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the September My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. This month, the kit features an absolutely gorgeous collection by 49 in Market. It's called Art Options Viking, and I hope that you like it as much as I do. I absolutely love these colors. I'm going to show you the papers first, and then I'll show you all of the items we get in the rest of the kit. So these are the papers. I'm going to start with the papers from the Viking collection. We also get some other papers as well. This first piece of paper has this beautiful color scheme that is carried throughout the collection of teals, purples, and blues. I absolutely love this floral paper. I love this dragonfly. I love the way there's print in the background. And throughout this collection, you'll see there's lots of watercolor effect in both the painted elements or the large elements and the background as well. On the other side is this beautiful blue paper. I think that would be perfect as a background. And then the branding strip is also something that could be used on a layout. It has some sentiments on it that would look really nice on a layout. I love these papers. There are sometimes similar papers in 49 in Market kits, and I love the idea of having this wreath. It's so beautiful. It's already made for you, and then all you have to do is include your photo and some other elements, and the page kind of comes together on its own, in my opinion. I love this part of the page down here with the purple and the leaves. Really pretty. On the other side is, again, a really lovely background paper, and the branding strip is also really cool to include on a layout. Here's a paper just filled with these beautiful flowers. On the other side, we have this beautiful green paper, again, a great background paper. And then I don't usually point out the branding strips, but there is a sentiment on it and then a few dragonflies that can be fussy cut out. I think I might be fussy cutting those flowers out. Here's another beautiful paper that would be great as a background paper. And I love these really large flowers, the watercolor effect and the print again. On the other side, there's a purple background paper. Or I say a background paper, it could be used for anything. It could be used to mat photos, it could be used for layering, it could be used to create border strips. Of course, you could use a paper like this for anything. Here's another page of florals. These are slightly larger flowers. I love the watercolor effect on these flowers. And then there's a green paper on the other side. Look at the branding strip on this one. So cool. Here's another beautiful floral paper. I absolutely love the watercolor effect in the background, the leaves and the different beautiful colors. And then on the other side, we have some purple and green. And then once again, this really cool branding strip. Another great page. Every page is so beautiful. It's hard to pick a favorite. Love the florals on this. Again, with the watercolor background. On the other side, again, another paper that's kind of like a solid. And again, I'm pointing out this branding strip. I love that lace look. Here's another beautiful watercolor paper. It has some florals, it has some leaves in the background, lots of dragonflies, but of course there are the beautiful touches of the print in the background, the little water droplets. And on the other side is this beautiful teal page. I absolutely love this page, and I think that some of the embellishments that we got will look amazing layered on top of this. Again, a branding strip with some sentiments and a butterfly. Also included is this cut apart sheet. We get so many embellishments, and I just love the variety of embellishments. Here you can cut out these layering pieces, some butterflies, tickets, a floral cluster, and then some individual flowers and leaves. We also got This paper, this is from the 49 and Market Spectrum Sherbet collection, but it matches in so nicely with the colors of the Viking collection. So that's one thing that I love about the My Creative Scrapbook kits. Things are coordinated for you. You don't really have to do a lot of thinking about putting different collections together. It's already in the kit for you. On the other side is this, I guess you could use it as a cut apart sheet, or you could also use it as a background. We also received this bow bunny paper. I love these hearts. These could be fussy cut out, or this could be used as a background. And then on the other side is this beautiful navy blue color, which again goes really nicely with the Viking collection. So those are all the papers, and I'm going to move on to some of the embellishments now. This month we got a stamp set. It has a whole bunch of sentiments on it. Hello there, love this, you're a gem, dream big, be yourself, sparkle, make today awesome, shine bright. Also included is this heart inside the circle. There's a diamond. I guess it could be a lot of different kinds of gems. And then I love this little border piece on the bottom too. We also got some chipboard in the kit this month. I love when we get chipboard. This piece is really beautiful with its scrolls and its flowers and its leaves. This will make a nice statement on one of the scrapbook layouts. Or of course it could be cut into smaller pieces, but I'm thinking that I'll probably use it as a whole. Also in the kit is this 49 and Market Viking Ephemera bits pack. There are 43 pieces. If you're familiar with the 49 and Market ephemera packs, they are really full of lots and lots of things you can use on your layouts. On the reverse side, they show you everything that you get. It's quite a few things. I always like to take everything out of the packaging so you can get a better idea of what the pieces look like. I always like to point out the packaging from the 49 and Market collections. Usually the packaging has images or prints on them that can be used on your layouts, and this one is no different. Look how beautiful that is. I really love this, and I am sure I'm going to be incorporating this into one of my layouts this month. The most important part, of course, is the ephemera. I'm going to give you an idea of what we have in here. There are some beautiful frames. There's another one. Here's another one, a smaller one. Some very small ones. And there's lots and lots to choose from. Frequently in these packs, there are tickets, and this pack has lots of them. They are usually in all the different colors, and they are often very different sizes, different shapes of tickets. So we get lots and lots of tickets. We also get lots of labels. The labels sometimes have sentiments on them, like this one says in the moment, and these are blank. So there's lots of options for you to include the labels on your pages. There's also a lot of sentiments. I love using these on the layouts. I just look at this color scheme. I know I keep talking about it, but it's such a beautiful combination of colors. There's the green too. So you get lots of sentiments. In this ephemera pack, there are some arrows, and the arrows look like they have stitching around the outside. Some more sentiments. These are a little larger. These could be titles. And then oftentimes we get some tiny white sentiments. There's lots and lots of tickets. Always lots of tickets. Another sentiment. Here's another title, actually two more titles: memorable, unforgettable. And then there are tabs as well. I like to use these on my layouts to stamp the date. So they are included in here in all the different colors of the collection. Here is a postcard you could use as a layering piece. Some tags. And then in the back, there are some more layering pieces. Some nice big ones, some more tickets mixed in here, all different colors. Here's another layering piece, and yet another one. And I'm calling them layering pieces, but you can make whatever you would like out of them. So we get all of those elements to include on layouts. Definitely not going to run out of ephemera to use. And then not only do we get the ephemera pieces, we also get the laser cuts. The laser cuts are often different from the types of pieces that we get in the ephemera pack, so I am always really happy to have both. I'm going to take these out of the package and show them to you. As always, they do show you on the packaging what you get inside, but of course it's always, I think, better to see it outside of the packaging. Inside the laser cut pack, there are 2 full sheets of laser cuts. They fold out like this. I'll show you this one first. And they come apart from the rest of the page very easily. They're not at all hard to punch out. So we get a beautiful lace piece over here. There are lots of butterflies, some more labels. I love when they have leaves. I like to incorporate lots of leaves on my layouts, some floral clusters, more sentiments, some more over here. Here are some that are on white, black on white over here. And then we also get some frames. There's enough here to make, I think, several layouts. But we still get more. There's another sheet. This one folds out, some more of those lace elements, more floral clusters. Here's a wreath, more leaves, some larger tabs, a title. Always love when there's titles, more sentiments, stamps, a bow, or here there's actually 2 of these purple bows, and then some tiny stamps. So much to use on your layouts. The last thing that we get is my very favorite part of every month's kit, which is the beautiful dimensional flowers. I just love them. This month we have 2 packs of 49 and Market flowers, and then we have 1 pack of Prima flowers. And I love the way the Prima flowers are this beautiful blue color that coordinates so nicely with the Viking collection. I love the way on this pack of flowers, or in this pack of flowers, there are large ones, there are medium flowers, and there are very small flowers. There are leaves, there are buds, there's a lot to use on your layouts here. And then in this pack of flowers, we get a variety of colors of blue. And again, we have the really small flowers, we have some medium flowers, some larger flowers, and then there are some leaves and buds in this pack as well. So lots of colors and different sizes of flowers to work with. And that was everything that's included in the limited edition kit for September. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in purchasing a subscription to My Creative Scrapbook, you could always look in the description box. I always include the link to the My Creative Scrapbook website. The limited edition kit is my favorite, but there are 3 other kits, and the kits match all different styles and tastes in scrapbooking. So you might want to check those out too. I hope that everybody has a fantastic day. And before I end this video, I just want to mention at the end of unboxing videos, I always have pictures of the layouts that I made using the kit this month. So in a few moments, you'll be able to see those if you would like. I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.